Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper on lock screen and home screen on your Samsung One UI 8 version. So, by default, set the lock screen wallpaper and home screen wallpaper on your Samsung device. If you want to change it, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Here you can see the lock screen wallpaper and home screen wallpaper. So, tap on the change wallpaper. Now you can see the features wallpapers. In the latest One UI 8, you can see the new dynamic wallpaper that will automatically change the color day by day on your device. When you tap on the next, now here you can see the list of different styles in the dynamic wallpaper color. You can change it. It will automatically change colors over the time on your device. So you can set this dynamic wallpaper on your device. If you want to select your own photo from the gallery, tap on the gallery option, select the photo, tap on a done. Now here you can set lock screen or home screen you want on your device. Also you can create the AI wallpaper, generative AI wallpaper on your latest One UI 8 version on your Samsung device. Create your own AI wallpaper. Also select the photo ambient wallpaper that will automatically change depend on the weather. Here you can see AI change your own photo based on the time and the weather. So it will automatically adjust the weather condition depend on your location. Also at the bottom you can see the graphical wallpapers and the colors wallpapers. You can also find the dynamic wallpaper here and the last wallpaper service. If you want to set the automatically change the lock screen wallpaper, get the new lock screen wallpaper automatically when every time you set. So you can select the dynamic lock screen. Here you can see this type of different category: landscape, plants, animals. So select your favorite or download it to set the automatically lock screen wallpaper. Samsung Global Goals and non option. So this is all available option to change the wallpaper on home screen and lock screen. So in this video, we select the default wallpaper. Now you need to select where to apply home screen or lock screen. So select it. So we select only home screen here. So tap on the next button. Now here you can see how it looks. Also tap on the variants at the bottom. Here you can change the color of a default variants when you select the default wallpaper on your device. So we select this option. Now tap on a done at the top right corner. Now changes apply to home screen. So now we can see change the wallpaper on the home screen. So quite easy to change the lock screen wallpaper and home screen wallpaper on your One UI 8 version. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.